Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. Probably just going to give you an overview of this article. There's a full link in the description. This is in regards to the murder of an 11-week-old boy, allegedly at the hands of the mother, and the father is also facing a trial, albeit not for the murder of the boy, but for some level of involvement, if I'm understanding that correctly. This happened in August 2020 in Essex, England, in the Midlands area. So we'll just give you a bit of an overview. A mother is facing a murder trial over the death of her 11-week-old son, who died from head injuries. The father also is standing charges with cruelty and perverting the course of justice. The mother, Goncalves, if I pronounce that correctly, is 31 years of age. The father, who's got quite a long name, Olaiya-Imam, is 36 years of age. The 11-week-old boy was called Malik, or Malik, I'm not sure of the pronunciation. So the police and paramedics came to the property in Essex in August the 19th, 2020, after reports of a baby boy being ill, and the boy was rushed to hospital. He was pronounced dead hours later. The initial cause of death, provisional cause of death, was given as head injuries, pending further investigation. So seemingly those further investigations took place and confirmed that indeed, tragically, the boy, 11 weeks of age, Malik, died of head injuries, and the mother is currently standing trial, facing charges for murder. So, of course, we hope that the trial goes ahead, that justice takes place. If the mother is found guilty, we hope that she gets life in prison. Boris Johnson has called for laws to be passed such that would involve life in prison for anyone convicted of child murder. Those laws aren't in place at this point. But, life in prison still a potential, certainly a very long sentence is what I would hope for. And, of course, we're not fully aware of the father's involvement. He's been charged with causing the death, but not murder. So I certainly don't fully understand the difference there. It says here, he's pleaded not guilty to offences of allowing the death of his son, cruelty to a child, and perverting the course of justice. So my guess, purely speculation on my part, is that the mother perhaps dealt the final blow or the final blows, but seemingly the father allegedly, potentially, was complicit, at least to some extent, perhaps encouraged, perhaps stood by as the abuse of the boy happened at the potentially at the behest of the mother. So there we go, a tragic story. It happened in August 2020, and we hope that justice takes place.